Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have all the necessary tools at hand. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkBook 14 and disconnect it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 6 to 8 screws, depending on the model. Store these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips while doing this. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to prevent any power running through the device while you work. This step is crucial for your safety and the integrity of your laptop components. Now, turn your attention to the keyboard. The keyboard is usually secured by a few screws located beneath the back panel. Locate these screws and remove them carefully. After removing the screws, gently lift the keyboard from the laptop chassis. You may need to use the spudger again to free it from any clips that might be holding it in place. Before fully removing the keyboard, disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable. This cable connects the keyboard to the motherboard. Gently lift the connector latch and slide the ribbon cable out. If you're unsure about the process or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the keyboard is fully removed, take this opportunity to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the mounting points. Insert the ribbon cable into the connector on the motherboard, making sure it's secure. Press down the latch to hold it in place. Once that's done, carefully fit the keyboard back into its position and secure it with the screws you previously removed. After the keyboard is secured, reconnect the battery and replace the back panel. Ensure all clips are snapped back into place, and reinstall the screws you took out earlier. This step is vital to keep your laptop secure and operational. Finally, power on your Lenovo ThinkBook 14 to test the new keyboard. Ensure every key is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. If you prefer, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process convenient for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service to get your laptop back in perfect condition. With that, you've successfully replaced the keyboard on your Lenovo ThinkBook 14. Enjoy your refreshed typing experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.